In today's video, I'll teach you how to track returns and exchanges on SHEIN. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in shein.com, press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of SHEIN. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So if you've returned or exchanged the order and if you want to track it, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is hover over the account icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be able to find the options like my profile, my orders, my messages, etc. Click on this option, my orders, that you can see at second. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the orders interface of SHEIN. You'll be able to see all of your orders over here. You'll be able to find the options like unpaid, processing, shipped, review, etc. If you click on this arrow icon, you'll also be able to find this option for returns. Simply click on it. Now you'll be able to view all of your returns and refund orders over here. So in order to track this specific order, what you have to do is simply find the specific return request that you would like to track. After you do that, what you have to do is click on it. Right now I do not have any such orders, but what you have to do is simply click on the option details that you'll be able to see on that particular order. Now after you do that, you'll be led to another page. The page will show you the current status of your returns, such as package shipped or in transit. If a third-party carrier is handling the shipment, you may find a separate tracking number and link to their website for more detailed tracking updates. What you have to do is simply click on that link and you'll be able to track your order. So that is how you track returns and exchanges on SHEIN. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.